Okay, we've got a little mcculloch 438 chainsaw. It doesn't run, and the chain brake don't seem to be engaging right, so we're going to have a little look at that so we can pull it off. We'll have a look. Right, what size we got here then? 13. Oh, that's lucky. 13. Right, let's take this off. There we go. First thing I notice is the spring has broken on it. There we go, so that's why the clutch is engaging on it. So it needs a new clutch. And by the looks of it, these aren't really worth spending the time and money on them, as horrible as it sounds. You know, for what these cost. So that's why the clutch is engaging on it. Oh well, there you go, let's take it off. There we go. Yeah. The clutches, the spring inside's broken. Yeah, it's a shame. Well, what we can do is we can take it off and have a look, see what it's doing. Right. One, two, three. There we go, that's off. Filter seems reasonably clean. Seems like plenty of compression. Champion, hate them spark plugs. There you go. Prefer NGKs or a Bosch. Carball seems all working. Let's set the compression, is just out of curiosity. While we're here. Looking like I need a new compression tester. Pipe's looking a bit knackered. There we go. I've had it years, so. Fantastic compression. Loads of compression. Bastard. That's just snapped, the spring's just snapped on it. But it's got 150 psi, if you can see that, just over. It's got bags of compression, but something else has just broken on it. Springs just broke, so that's something else. I don't think this is going to be worth repairing for what they cost. Good compression though, good little saw. I'm sure if it's up and running. But, yeah, there we go. Springs broke. Yeah, not worth pissing around with, to be honest. Spares the repairs, I'd say. So don't worry, it's on speed one, not fucking full. Yeah, that's a shame. Yeah, that is a shame. Flipping spring broke there at £5, I guess. £5–10 for new springs. Oh well. So it needs a new clutch spring. I'll probably get that running really, but we'll see how much of these parts cost. So we'll leave that one there.